Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Every time I sit down to make a new video, I'm reminded of the same thing. Videos are powerful, but making them can be a real pain. If you've ever spent hours writing a script, tweaking visuals, trying to get your audio to sound good, or paying someone way too much to edit everything together, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's exhausting. And for many people, those challenges are the reason they avoid making videos altogether. But today, I want to share something that genuinely changes that entire experience. Imagine being able to create a complete, polished, high-converting sales video without hiring a copywriter, without hiring an editor, and without spending days learning animation tools. Imagine giving an AI your website, a PDF, a document, or even a rough paragraph you typed out in 5 minutes and watching it turn that into a finished, persuasive, professional video in just minutes. It sounds like science fiction, right? That's exactly what I thought until I tried VSL Studio. When I say this thing is powerful, I mean it. It doesn't just throw stock footage together and slap a voiceover on it. It actually understands your content, pulls out the benefits, finds the emotional angle, builds a persuasive structure, and transforms everything into a sales video that feels like a full creative team worked on it. And here's the craziest part. It even chooses the right marketing framework for you. If your offer is pain-driven, it selects the classic pain, agitate, solve structure. If your product needs more attention and interest building, it uses AIDA. If your story sells better through a narrative approach, it picks STAR Story Solution. And if your promotion is time-sensitive and you need urgency, it uses SLAP. This is normally the stuff that takes years of copywriting experience to master, yet here it's happening automatically in seconds. And the visuals? That's a whole other game changer. You can choose from 12 studio-grade styles, everything from dynamic stock footage to whiteboard animation, motion graphics, watercolor, papercraft, comic style, and more. These are styles real agencies charge hundreds or thousands of dollars for. You simply pick the look you want, and VSL Studio builds the scenes, animates the elements, times the voiceover, and packages the whole thing into a ready-to-publish video. One thing that really surprised me is how fast it works. You upload your content, choose your settings, click one button, and in less than 5 minutes, you have a fully finished video sales letter. No waiting, no back and forth with editors, no worrying whether the script will convert. And if you want to reach different audiences around the world, it even generates videos in all major languages. That means anyone selling products, services, coaching programs, digital courses, or running marketing campaigns can scale instantly. Think about how many barriers this removes. No more spending days writing and rewriting scripts. No more paying hundreds of dollars for a 2-minute video. No more trying to learn animation software that looks like it requires a NASA training badge. VSL Studio takes care of everything, and honestly, it feels like the future of video creation has finally arrived. If you're a creator, a marketer, an agency owner, or someone trying to get more conversions online, this is one of those tools that gives you an unfair advantage, one you'll wonder how you ever lived without. If you're curious and want to try it yourself, I'll leave the link below so you can check it out. The price you see right now is the lowest it's ever going to be, so if you're thinking about it, now's the best time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.